Hello guys, this is Mind of Technology and Vlogs. In this video, let us install the full matting and leather seats for Nissan Magnite. I am using the official genuine leather seats of Nissan Magnite, and full matting will be done by Zenex Car Decos in Karnool. They have one of the bulkiest stock available in the market. They use quality products. They use 3M products as well. I have ordered the leather seats with the help of the dealer and I have received them. Now I went to Zenex car decos to install them into my car. These are the full matting options available with them. There are a number of options. I have selected this one. The quality of the full matting is quite good as well. Now let us unbox the Nissan genuine leather seats. These are the products that you will get with Nissan genuine leather seats. As you can see, they are genuine parts. I have bought them with the help of dealer. Their model is black and silver, elegant with armrest. These leather seats will cost you around 7,000 rupees. Now they have started removing the seats. This is how the front seat looks when it is removed outside from the vehicle. This is how the rear bench looks when it is removed from the vehicle. The whole process of installing leather seats took us around 1.5 hours. Their work was excellent without wrinkles. They have installed the leather seats without cutting the original Nissan Magnite seats, but the seats got perfectly fitted like bucket fit. They have started the work of full matting. Firstly they cleaned everything which was previously left over on the floor of the car. Now they are taking the measurements and they will install the full matting perfectly. I will show you after once they have completed the work. This is how it looks after installing the full matting in the Nissan Magnite. Their work was excellent. This is how the formatting looks after complete installation. These are the 3D mats, official genuine Nissan Magnite 3D mats that I have bought from the dealer for 2400 rupees. Their quality is quite good. The quality of the formatting is really excellent. They have installed it without leaving a single space. They took around 1.5 hours to install the full matting. It costs you around 4500 rupees. This is how the leather seats look after installing them into the car. They have installed them perfectly, but it took 1 hour to install them. This is the leather seats during daytime. They have done the work excellently without leaving wrinkles. Though there are some small wrinkles, they told that the wrinkles will disappear by usage. If you are from Kannur, I would recommend you to do the extra fittings for car by Zenex Auto Car Decos because their work is excellent. Thank you for watching.